So you got yourself a new car. Well, it's not a new car, but it's new to you. So you got a new used car. And the first thing you got to do is you got to make sure that there's no other car on the planet that looks exactly like yours. And the first obvious upgrade is going to be paint. But since the paint on your new family car looks so fantastic, you decide that you're going to flex at Cars and Coffee with the stock paint and the stock wheels and the stock engine. You're going to pull off your hubcaps and you're flexing them stock rims. You spend the entirety of Cars and Coffee talking about how stock your car is. And now that you're a disappointment to both of your parents, you decide that you're going to drill a giant hole in your hood. This hole is fantastic, but it's not going to be quite edgy enough for your 1990s related style, so you, in lieu of a giant tribal graphic, you decide that you're going to get a hood scoop from AutoZone. This seems straightforward enough. You're just going to grab the hood scoop, you're going to pull the stickies off, you're sticking it on your hood like a boomer with a PT Cruiser. Once again, the AutoZone special is not going to be badass enough to pull new subscribers on your YouTube channel, so you got to pull out a loan. So you pull out a loan for a Miller Multimatic 215 welder, you go to the hardware store, you get yourself some HVAC steel, you get yourself some sandpaper, and you get some bondo. You spend 10 hours or so working on the hood scoop and bam! Custom hood scoop. And it looks so clean that your subscribers even hit the bell to get notified every time you upload a video. Now you got your custom hood scoop. We can all agree that this is the most glorious Forester that has ever hit the road. But hold up, it's not complete without more HVAC parts. So you go back down to the hardware store and get some twisty tubes and some duct tape. You heard that right. We're putting duct tape on ducts today, everybody. The air filter and mass airflow sensor are located right at the back of the engine right here. And this drainage box is part of the stock configuration, which makes this part super easy. A couple of rare earth magnets for a hood disconnect right here. And we're going to be breaking some necks with this massive amount of ponies we just put in this thing. I know we're all wondering, is it doing anything? Well, the answer is yes. This thing's giving me quite a bit better gas mileage, and at minimum, it's got a little bit better throttle response, especially when you're already rolling. I know you all got comments about this, so go ahead and put them down below. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.